How's it going, everyone? We're back with another Freecad tutorial, and in today's video I'll show you on how you can simply rotate your object in Freecad. Now I have a simple object on my sketch. Of course, you can navigate through any objects on your Freecad, but just head over to the model category, which is going to be this one. And basically from here, you want to navigate through your sketches, and then you will have your body. So to rotate a specific object, you can just right click on the body itself. And from here, you will have the transform option. Now, if you simply click on the object, which in my case, it's going to be the pad, there won't be the transform option. So just make sure to click on the body of the object, click transform, and then you will have this different functions. Now in here, if you want to move it upwards, sidewards, and basically from here, if you want to rotate it, you then want to use the circular options right here. And so guys, that's how you do it easily. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.